we are solving problem of a semi-cylinder. Theoretical part of this problem already I have explained in the first part of this video. Now we are solving now. First we have required to draw the reference line xy. It is a semi-cylinder problem, so we have required to draw, and it is resting on HP. So semi-cylinder we have required to draw in a top view. We have to divide this semicircle into 6 parts. So in this way I have given the name 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So total 7 names for a bottom and 7 names at the top face. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So this projection we have required to transfer in a front view. We have transmitted this projection in a front view. Now we have required to draw a front view of a semi-cylinder. Before that I have drawn here a central line of a circle, because they have given angle with a central line. So section line, if you see that a section line passes through 20 mm from any face on the axis. So this is the axis line I have drawn here. Now the front view of a semi-cylinder here. So I have represented by 1 dash, 2 dash, 5 dash, A dash, B dash, E dash. Already I have explained the stages. Now 1 dash, 2 dash, E dash, B dash is a rectangular face in actual, so that this line should be on xy. So it should be, say, in a second stage the object will be as it is here. So I have given a same color. So A dash, B dash, 1 dash, 2 dash should be on a reference line. This is a rectangular surface resting on HP they have mentioned. So we have required to draw in this way. Now transmit this projection. After transmission of the projection, draw a top view of in a second stage. So we have drawn the top view of in a second stage. So in this way second stages we have completed, but hardly, if you draw up till here, hardly you are going to get a hardly 1 or 2 marks, because still we have not drawn a section line. And last explanation already I have explained, it is a 20 mm away from any face they have mentioned. I have considered it as a top face. So the point I have located, this is the point 20 mm from the top face. Now through this a 30 mm line we have required to draw, 30 degree one line, section line we have required to draw. So we will draw this. This is a 30 degree section line which is a passes through a point. Now you will feel that, is it this line is a true length? Yes, definitely it is a true length. You can check it. Axis is a parallel in a front view. Axis is a parallel to the reference line. So in a top view you are going to get the true length. In a both view, axis is a parallel to the reference line. So in front view also and in top view, in both case this axis line is a true length. So 20 mm you can directly take here. Now next thing, after drawing in a section line, we have completed a 50% part. Remaining 50% part is giving a nomenclature. Wherever the section line is going to cut to the lateral edge, ये सेक्शन लाइन जिससे साथ पंगा लेने वाली है उसको हम नामांकन करेंगे. So similar way PQR, in your cases you are going to get more points. I have not drawn a middle line so that I will get only 3 points. Now once you have given the nomenclature, P का ओनर आपको समझ में आ गया, Q का ओनर समझ में आ गया, R का ओनर समझ में आ गया. इनके ओनर के पास ये PQR पॉइंट फ्रंट व्यू में ट्रांसफर करने पड़ेंगे हमको. P का ओनर A1 है, Q का ओनर E5 है, R का ओनर EB है या BE है. Clear? So we have required to transmit this in a front view. So I will give somewhat a big color line so there should not be a confusion. So PQR, these are the projection line. It is not existence. Remember that for our understanding purpose, just I have drawn by a different color, and big line, it should be a faint line. Now I will locate this point PQR in a front view. P का ओनर, Q का ओनर आपको पता है, R का ओनर आप देख लीजिए. It is not, R का आपका confusion होगा. R का ओनर आप बेस पे नहीं ले सकते, A dash B dash पे नहीं ले सकते. R का ओनर EB है. And can I say that ER distance is a true length? Yes, ER is a true length. So we will take the ER distance which are in a top view in a compass. I will put the compass in a front view E dash point and locate a R point in a front view. Again I am repeating this. Is it the ER distance in a top view is a true length? Answer is yes. Now we will take that distance in the compass. I will put the compass on E dash and I will locate a R in a front view. And once you have located, through this point you are required to draw a curve by freehand. So we have required to draw this. So we have drawn this. So in this way a PQR line is we have joined. The sectional portion will be in this way. Now similar way we have required to draw the true shape. We have drawn a sectional front view. Still we have not completed the true shape of any section. So ट्रू शेप निकालने के लिए सेक्शन लाइन को रेफरेंस लाइन पैरेलल होना बहुत जरूरी है. So we have drawn a x1 y1 parallel to section line. Then we have transmitted this projection in front of an x1 y1 and we have located PQR point. Now you can see here, आपको लगेगा मैंने फ्रंट व्यू के ऊपर ड्रॉ किया है, लेकिन मेरे पास फ्रंट व्यू के बिलो स्पेस नहीं था, इसलिए मैं ऊपर गया हूँ. So it is auxiliary top view, not it is auxiliary front. Sorry, it is auxiliary front view, not auxiliary top view. So x1 y1 के आगे का डिस्टेंस xy के पीछे का होना चाहिए. आपको कंफ्यूजन हो जाएगा, xy के पीछे मतलब आप टॉप व्यू से ले लेंगे. नो, we have required to take a dimension from a front view because this is auxiliary front view, not auxiliary top view. तो हम x1 y1 के आगे के डिस्टेंस मतलब xy के पीछे के मतलब फ्रंट व्यू के डायमेंशंस लेंगे. सो यू कैन चेक इट. P point is on P point is on xy, Q point is on E5, so you can transfer here. Now R point you are going to get somewhere here. R point will not be on a reference line, so we have required to, now we know that PQR will be in this way. Now we have required to join this all these points. So how I will draw these points? So you can check it. I will take one line, so and I will join this by a, it should be by a curve. So we are not having so much time, so I will hurriedly complete this much portion. ऐसा कुछ तो आएगा. So this portion we have required to draw by a section or a hatching line. So I will just fill by, so in this way. In this way we have completed the problem. If any doubt is there about this problem, you can ask